So you want to start out with 2 spoonfuls of sugar. I'm using really fine caster sugar, but you can use regular granulated sugar. And then add 2 spoonfuls of oatmeal, since this is an oatmeal cookie recipe. Then go ahead and add 2 spoonfuls of all-purpose flour. It doesn't have to be exact. You can just do a rough estimate. Add in 1 scoop of butter. I use salted, but you can use unsalted if that's what you prefer. Then a dash of cinnamon. And finally, a pinch of baking soda. And just mix it up until it forms a dough. Then roll the dough into a ball and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds or so, depending on your microwave. This really goes well with a glass of milk. And as you can see, this recipe is so easy and so delicious.